In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge Salesforce cases. Managing cases effectively is crucial for maintaining customer satisfaction and streamlining your operations, so let's dive right into the steps. First, to get started, you'll want to head to the Salesforce website. Once you're there, you should hover in the top right corner of the page where you can log in. It's straightforward, just click on the login option and proceed to enter your Salesforce credentials. If you don't yet have a Salesforce account set up, you'll want to do that first, as it's necessary to access the platform's features. Next, once you've logged in, you'll notice the interface, which is your dashboard. It can be quite busy if you're new to Salesforce, but don't worry, you'll find it intuitive once you become familiar with its setup. Your first task is to click on the quick settings, which you'll find at the top right corner of your dashboard. This settings menu allows you access to various customization and setup options for tailoring your Salesforce experience to suit your needs. After accessing your quick settings panel, the next step is to click on Open Advanced Setup. This option will lead you to a more detailed setup screen where you can tweak and manage a range of functions within Salesforce. It's particularly handy if you have specific features you frequently use. In this advanced setup screen, you'll want to type case merge into the quick find box. This feature is a powerful tool in Salesforce, allowing you to merge duplicate cases effectively. Once you see case merge appear in the results, go ahead and click on it. This action will bring you to the case merge setup screen. On this screen, you should check the merge cases box to enable the feature. It's an essential step as it activates the merging functionality, allowing you to combine cases, reduce duplicates, and manage your customer interactions more efficiently. Once enabled, click on the Choose button. This will provide you with options related to case selection, including parameters for what types of cases should be merged. In our scenario, we'll proceed by selecting the Closed option. This setting ensures that only closed cases are included in the merge process, keeping your open cases active and untouched. Finally, after confirming your options, click Save. This action finalizes your settings and applies the changes, ensuring that your Salesforce instance is now optimized for case merging. Remember that efficiently managing your cases can greatly enhance customer satisfaction by providing quicker resolutions and streamlining communication, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to merge Salesforce cases. With this feature, your case management can become much more organized. Thanks for watching, and be sure to apply these steps to keep your customer service running smoothly.